When I was buying my wife's wedding ring, or the engagement ring, one of her friends saw me pull into the jewelry store and kind of snuck in there, and so
she didn't blow the secret, though, did she?
no, I had to beat her to the punch.
Okay.
Thankfully, I had to speed up the proposal a little bit. So you never know who's watching you.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, tonight weather outside's been very warm out there. Still not really distracting folks from heading outside. We got readings in the 90s. Taking a live look from our Paramount Theater camera, and we've got just a couple of cars out there. A lot of folks out and about in the street enjoying a nice 90-degree night. South-southeast winds at about 7 miles an hour right now, and the dew point number tolerable. I wouldn't say it's great, but tolerable at about 65 degrees. Taking a look at temperatures across the area, we're at 89 right now in Rockdale and in Giddings, 88 in LaGrange and in San Marcos. The cool spot checking in at Fredericksburg at 86. Now, satellite and radar. Where is the rain? We've got a few little showers along the Gulf Coast. That's just about it. Big high pressure still dominating the state of Texas, but that high is going to start to retreat to the west over the next 2 days. And as it does so, all these little showers that showed up on the eastern edge of that high are going to slowly shift inward. So we are going to see a slight chance, but a chance of showers starting, I think, mainly for the work week and through most of the week from about I-35 on eastward. They're not going to be great chances and no drought busting rains, but there is that chance. Out in the tropics, got some activity going on. We've got two tropical storms, one Florence, the other one Ernesto. That's the one we're going to be keeping our eyes on. The reason being the track going to be a little bit more effective possibly towards our area. Florence first, going to take that and actually strengthen it possibly to near a hurricane by Monday or Tuesday, and then weaken it as it heads into the central Atlantic and hit some cooler waters and some winds aloft. Ernesto, though, we're paying attention to this one as it's about 400 miles off towards the east-southeast of Jamaica this evening as a pretty strong tropical storm. Winds right now at 60 miles an hour, still moving rather quickly to the west at 18, but the forecast track does start to slow the system down in forward track, slow it down, and it strengthen the winds a little bit over the next 24 hours. In fact, the official track makes it into a Category 1 strength hurricane, which it's only about 15 miles away from that in wind speed right now by tomorrow evening, and then continues to turn this up towards the northwest near the Yucatan Peninsula by Wednesday afternoon, and then weakens it a bit to a tropical storm before it re-enters into the Gulf on Thursday. Now, the big question mark from there is where exactly does this storm go? We've got forecast models that take it into central Mexico on more of a westerly turn. Got a couple models that actually turn it up towards the north near Louisiana, and even one or two that may take it a little bit closer towards the Texas coast, which would mean a little bit more rainfall for us. We're going to be waiting for those latest model runs and the latest forecasts coming up a little bit later after the Olympics tonight. We'll update you on the latest track. As of now, I think the storm probably most likely is going to head into Mexico late next work week, which means no rainfall for us, but we will keep our fingers crossed that maybe a few of those showers trek northward. Now, back at home tonight, high pressure going to dominate us. Just give us a few clouds during the overnight hours tonight. You notice we'll have scattered cloud cover again tomorrow. I think a chance of an isolated shower redevelops in our area starting Monday afternoon, and we'll keep that chance in the forecast throughout most of the work week, although it's not going to bring a whole lot of rain. Tonight, 76 for the overnight low. Tomorrow, we'll get back into familiar territories. We hit 100 for that afternoon high. Light south winds at about 5 to 10. If you like 100 tomorrow, we got another one on Monday and Tuesday. We'll get up to 101 on Wednesday. That looks to be the hottest day of the week. Not a whole lot of change expected, of course. We'll see 100 on Thursday and 99 expected Friday or Saturday. Notice 10% chances of rain each afternoon from about Monday to Saturday. At best, maybe we'll get 1/10 of an inch of rain. Not expecting any drought-busting rains out of it.